What's up, guys? Inigami here, and I am officially an AVerMedia partner. I have the new live streamer mic 133 from them. This is a new microphone that they just launched. It is expressly for using with live streaming on your phone or with a dedicated DSLR camera. So you can mount it on a DSLR. You can also use it with your I know there's a picture on here somewhere. With your cell phone with an attachment. It should have an extra little attachment microphone on there. So let's open it up. I have my cell phone with me, and I have another microphone. We'll check it out compared to the built-in microphone on my camera. And anyone watching this on the Twitch stream won't get to hear it, but we'll be able to play it for you guys on the YouTube video, so you can hear the difference between the built-in microphone on your cell phone and the AM133 live streamer, which I will figure out how to open. Haha! Here we go! This is the microphone right here. That's it. It is actually super light. It looked a lot heavier. It is about as heavy as my glasses. Very light, as light as a pen light. Windscreen, very, very important. The mount is heavier than the microphone is. Cables, a ring, quick start guide, and a baggie. Plain bag, nothing special. It's got a zip. Anything inside? No, it's just a bag. Awesome. Now, it won't mount, I believe, it won't mount directly to a camera. But if you have a selfie stick, which I think I have around here. Alright, I have my rinky-dink selfie stick here. I don't know how I'm going to mount it. Ah, yes, windscreens and pop filters. Oh, right, because so it doesn't go on all the way, because this is only the part that matters. It doesn't matter the whole thing. That makes sense. Two cables. What's the difference? I know what the difference is. So the microphone does come with two different cables. It comes with a 4-pole to 3-pole 3.5mm audio cable and a 3-pole to 3-pole 3.5mm. So if you don't know what that means, on these 3.5mm jacks, there are two different types. There's a 3-pole one, which has 2 black lines on it, and the 4-pole, which has 3 black lines on it. If you, depending on what device you use, you actually need to use different ones in order for a microphone to register properly. So this splits out into 2, whereas this is just 1-to-1. This should work with your cell phone, I believe, and this one made to work with other devices. Now, how am I gonna mount this? This is for the camera mount. This is for, will this mount here? Insert mic body into shock mount. Oh, wow, this is a shock mount too. Oh, that's really, oh, that's really cool. This is also a shock mount. So all those this is rubber. It's flexible. And so I put the windscreen on, and you put it on here, and it also doubles as a shock mount. Oh, that's double cool. Very nice. So I misspoke. The 3-pole to 3-pole adapter is actually for dedicated microphone inputs. The 4-pole to 3-pole adapter is for your cell phone. So for my cell phone, I'm going to be using the 4-pole on my cell phone side. And this 3-pole goes into the microphone, and this one is for audio. So for a cell phone, I just use this one instead of using an adapter, which I have to use for this microphone in order to have this work with my cell phone. That makes sense. So this is what I have been using for my cell phone. It has the 4-pole adapter here and a 3-pole here. And it splits off like that. And so this is for cell phone. I don't have to have an additional adapter. I just use this one cable. This half goes into the microphone. This goes into my cell phone. And this 3-pole to 3-pole is if you have just a dedicated microphone input on, say, your DSLR camera. I guess this stand is just to stand it up on the table or something. There's a ring at the bottom here. That's to tighten it onto your mount. So slide it onto this ring mount here. Tighten it down. And I can use this just like a mic, a mount, or a stand on a table. Just like that. Now I have the 133 microphone plugged in, recording on my cell phone, standing about 3 feet away. And this is from, say, 5 feet away, all the way from across on the other side of the room. Don't know how it sounds now, but let's compare it to without the AVerMedia mic. And here we go. This is with the built-in microphone on the cell phone. 3 feet away, walking farther away yet again, and all the way back here from the far side of my room. Of course, this is without any additional sounds. This is just inside, no wind, which is always going to make my cell phone sound worse, and no crowds and crowded spaces, which is going to make a huge difference on what the cell phone mic picks up compared to what the live streamer mic picks up. A better idea of how this sounds outside. I have a water fountain in front of me. The wind blowing on the microphone. It's not too breezy, but it's definitely enough that it would be picking up on the microphone. And this is with the AVerMedia 133. And this is with my Samsung Galaxy S7's built-in microphone. So there you go. Check out the back of the microphone box. The live streamer mic 133 is a high-quality unidirectional microphone, so it is picking up from where it is pointing rather than omnidirectional, which will pick up from everywhere. It is picking wherever you are pointing this microphone. You want to keep that in mind whenever you mount your microphone on whichever device you have it mounted to. No battery required, camera, shock mount, and furry windscreen included. It actually says furry windscreen. Neat. Anyways, guys, that's the microphone. I've been Zinigami. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all stay beautiful.